Lord say, I want him planted here in the name of Jesus. There's a time of waiting. God says, because when you wait is where I strengthen you. And your waiting is where you're strengthened. In the name of Jesus. But God says, there's an area where I'm delivering you. There's an area where I'm delivering you in the name of Jesus. Leave him now. Leave him now. Leave him now.
Fuera ahora.
Shit, cough it out. So cough it out. Put your hand in the spot. Cough it out. See, many of you are not sleeping with Delilah.
Muchos de ustedes no están con Delilah.
Many of you are sleeping with pride.
Están con el orgullo.
Many of you are sleeping with doubt.
Muchos están con la incredulidad.
Many of your Delilahs are fear.
Muchos